Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Chat's all in. Chat's all in. Welcome to another episode of Chat's all in. Forex analysis, market and stuff. Looking the overview of the market. Remember, we're in a very interesting moment in the market. That is the forex market, the global market as a whole. So much happening when in the market. We don't know even how to process all this data and information. So for now, let's go straight to the analysis. We're going to start with a very easy thing, that is gold. I would like to analyze gold, but I rather not, because even if we analyze gold, we are not going to take a trade, even if it comes to levels, because the stop levels in gold are very, very interesting. We have it's just a very ridiculous stop losses. You can find this is not how we are used to 10-15 pips, bro. We are talking over 80 pips to 100 and 100 and something of stop loss, because of the volatility which the market caused the past few days and the past weeks. So for now, let's just leave, because we rather leave it instead of taking a trade that a single movement. Okay, I wanted to measure pips, I forgot. Let's measure pips, no need to. Let's just leave it, because even if you measure pips, we want to take the trade. Just leave it. So for now, go leave it. Let's go to UJ. Now UJ is very interesting. UJ is very interesting. Remember, it has been rallying up, and the US dollar has been gaining a lot for the past few days, few months, few weeks, I mean. So for now, I wait for it to come to these levels, and it can decide where we will go. If it's going to rally up or it's going to come down. But for now, we just observe. Remember, we follow our trading strategy. We don't rush things. So yes, for now we leave it and wait for it to come to these levels, which is a very nice area, and we can know where to go next. So the next one is platinum. So platinum, remember, we are looking at these levels, but for now, yes, I didn't take this setup. I think we had analyzed this last week. Yeah, so some was there. So we were looking at those levels, and if it comes back to this one, we can long there. Not much. We can long, but remember, we have to keep the pips factor. Remember, the markets, metals like platinum, gold, silver, diamond, they moved a lot, and I would just say be very careful. This small week can be very many pips, and so for now we have one setup. We will be waiting for confirmation, that is if it gives us a good setup. So let's leave it there, which is very interesting. So the next one is German 40. German 40, it has decided to range. It's not breaking. It's not breaking. It's not. It's coming. German 40 has decided to range for a while now. Remember those levels that we were stopped out? It's playing within those zones. So it's playing within those zones. So those zones. So if you look, let's see how many days it has been. So it has been a few days. Look at this. It has been ranging within this zone, and remember, our trading strategy doesn't allow us to get into a setup when the market is ranging. So for now, let's just leave it there and wait for it to confirm its momentum, its movement, and make sure it has a good momentum, and we can take a setup from there. So the next one is this one, which is Dow Jones with 30. Yes, that is something very great. It broke this area of consolidation, and to be honest, US30 has very good setups. US30 can give you a very good setup. So let's wait and see. Remember, it has been consolidating here. The same thing as German 40. Yeah. So let's wait and see. It broke this, and after breaking it, if I'm not wrong, I think it created all-time highs. If I'm not wrong, let me confirm. I think it created all-time high. Yes, it created all-time high, which is very good. So bulls are in control again in US30. So we'll know if it's a fake out or it's a good bull momentum. This is the only thing that will be bullish according to my strategy, because most of the things are bearish. Remember, I told you I think the bears are here with us. So let's wait and see. So okay, US30. So the next one is BTC Euro. BTC Euro is doing something very interesting. So I'll be waiting it within. Let's just analyze. Come here daily. Look at this. This is beautiful. It's a beautiful bearish momentum. So let's wait and see until it gives us a level of confirmation, and we can take. But for now, let's leave it there. So the next one is oil. Remember, this was one of our setups that we were waiting for. This was one of the setups that we were waiting for last week. It came to my levels here, but I waited for more confirmation. I waited for more confirmation, so it didn't come back, and decided to respect this area. So we all know it's the same area. So we see okay, the reaction within this range or within this section gave us a good confirmation, although it was not a setup, a entry level. It gave us this, so I got in. I'm currently in US oil shorts. Yes, so let's see. I have 1:2, something of the sort. 1:2. Yes, there. Yes, so that's my trade. So, but I will be looking at these TP1 levels. These are my TP1 levels. Yes. Those are my TP1 levels here. So I'll be waiting and looking, because I told you, when the market behaves in a certain way, we adjust accordingly. And I have realized that the market is not that, it's not respecting the whole levels, because I don't know why, but swing traders currently are having a very good, are having a very hard time, and the market is not moving the whole setup. So I have to be realistic, and I rather make small profits than be in a trade for days and weeks. So remember, I do weekly swings, so that's why I'm saying I will be observing at my TP1 levels and see if it's going to give me a reaction of a bullish momentum or a continuity of a bearish momentum. And if it gives me a continuity of a bearish momentum, I will take a trade. If it gives me a reverse of a bullish momentum, we'll close the trade at TP1 levels, rather than waiting for it to come back and come back again. So I'll be very, very, very observant and keen on those levels. So for now, we wait. We are in a setup in oil. So the next one is Ethereum, and Ethereum has done something interesting for the past few days, that is during the weekend, and it has respected these levels. I was waiting for it somewhere here, if I'm not wrong. It's so somewhere there. If it gives me a good confirmation, I will be shorting Ethereum. So let's do this short position. Yes, and That's it. That's it. I will be shorting Ethereum. One is to 2 or 3, somewhere there. We don't want big profits. We just want trades that will respect setups and won't take very many days. So for now, let's wait and see. If it gives us a confirmation, we short. If it doesn't, we won't take a trade. Remember, we have things to respect. We have rules we made, and we can't get into a setup if those rules are not respected. So for now, we wait for market open and we confirm and be sure that the setup is okay before we take it. So for now, not much analysis, not much information. We are just waiting for the Iran America peace talk, if we know if they're going to fight or not. And and by the time the market opens, we will be knowing what way forward. So for now, we don't have much, but to sit on our arms and wait. So for now, Chatswell out. I have decided to be giving market analysis in Swahili. I'm from Kenya, so I will be giving market analysis in Swahili because of my country people. So I want, when this channel becomes big, I can accommodate everyone, my local people and the others. So for now, that's all out. Yes, so see you later.